President Drupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi greet all civil servants on Civil Service Day. The governments of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh have signed an agreement for the settlement of an interstate boundary dispute between the two states. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar met United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres in New York and discussed the worsening situation in Sudan on Friday. In the 28th Assembly constituency of Bengaluru, 279 nominations were received from 247 candidates on the last day of filing the nomination on Thursday for the Assembly election. Chennai Super Kings will take on Sunriser Hyderabad at the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium in Chennai today evening.